don't know how to create that viral home transformation video that is taking over social media? Here is a super easy way to do it. All you need is a little help from AI and a clever step, and you will have a stunning transformation video in no time. The first step is getting your prompts ready. Alright guys, let's dive straight into the step-by-step process of creating this viral home restoration or transformation time-lapse video. I'm going to show you exactly how I did it so you can replicate it yourself. The very first step is getting a well-detailed prompt. The first thing you need is a well-structured prompt. To do this, head straight to ChatGPT on your preferred browser and sign up for an account. If you already have an account, good. And then next, you're going to give ChatGPT your prompt. You can do this by simply typing in your text in the text box there, or use the voice to explain your prompt, or better still, alternatively, if you don't know how to construct your prompt, don't worry. You have your AI assistant here. Trust me, this AI is super intelligent. It will help you do all the heavy lifting. All you need to do is just to click on this plus sign here and upload the photo of that very particular look that you want to transform. That's the desired outlook of that particular object. Here's what I'm trying to explain to you. Let's click on this very plot sign here and upload the photo of a particular mansion that I downloaded from one of those media. Okay, let's assume I want to do with this very particular mansion here. I'm just going to upload it here like so, and then I'm going to type in here, give me the prompt for the old look of this very particular mansion. And then in the prompt, I'm going to explain, tell ChatGPT how horrible I want the old look to look like. And that was exactly what I did here. And within a second, ChatGPT gave me the prompt for the old look of the photo. Don't forget, guys, even when you're asking for the prompt of the old look, you want to make sure you express yourself to the AI so they can understand the state of what you actually want. With this prompt already, I have to click here to copy the prompt and paste it here. Guys, trust me, this video is something very easy. Even a 7-year-old child can do this. I have to copy the prompt and paste it here and ask ChatGPT to create an image for this or a photo for this. Now, this part of the job is also optional. If you like, you can use ChatGPT or any of your preferred AI tool for image generation. There are multiple AI tools out there that you can use. You have the Leonardo AI, you have the Google Image FS. There are a lot and a lot. So you can use any of your preferred AI tool to create the photo of the old form of that very particular object or whatever you want to transform, right? Now that we have the both photos available, both the art look and the before look, what we want to do next is to ask ChatGPT to give you animation prompt for the restoration or transformation time lapse of the old building, which is this very particular one here, into the new state, which is this one here. Can you see, guys? Showing the step-by-step procedure of the professional workers working the whole process from the scratch into the finished state. And that was exactly what I did here. ChatGPT gave me this animation prompt for restoration time lapse, scene by scene. As you can see here, we have scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, scene 4, and so on. So you don't need to crack your brain getting all these prompts in your head. It's just enough for you to explain to the AI, tell the AI exactly what you want. Now that you have the animation prompt ready, what you need to do is to copy the prompt, head over to any of your preferred animation tools. In this video tutorial, I made use of the Kling AI, but there are multiple options out there. You can just head straight to your Google search and search for Kling AI. If you're making use of Kling, then sign up to take you to this interface like this. Once you arrive here, what you want to do, under here where there is image or video, is just for you to click on this plus sign like this and click on image upload. It will take you to wherever you have the photo save. I first of all upload the old mansion first as my start frame, and then I went back and upload the outlook, which is this new mansion here, which is the end frame. I added it as my end frame. After that, what next I did is just to click in here under here and paste the animation prompt I got from ChatGPT. And within a twinkle of an eye, this AI website created this amazing result for me. Now let me play it. So as I've said it, like guys, there's going to be a very short and easy video. I think we have come to the end of this video. If you have gained something from this video, please do not hesitate to put thumbs up, like, share among your friends, so that all those out there that are wondering how to create these trendy videos, they can use this idea here to replicate it to create anything they want to transform. Okay, so guys, thanks so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Shalom.